Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'll explain about key flex field in Oracle HCM. So what is a key flex field? A key flex field is a key that is composed of segments in which one or more segment may have a meaning. In other words, KFF are used to capture mandatory or key business information of the organization. Each key flex field is having its own base table. The key or code uniquely identify an object such as an account, an asset, a part, or a job that implementers can configure to validate any way they want. A key flex field is a made up of segment, each of which has both a value and a meaning. Key flex field are a special feature of Oracle application. They help you customize application by holding particular information your enterprise needs where you need it. So KFF are configurable multi-part intelligent key where each element, or we can say segment of the key, may be individually meaningful as well as the combination as a whole. For example, journal ledger accounting flex field consists of a various segments such as company code, cost center, account, product line, and sub account. In Fusion HCM, KFF are only used for people group and cost allocation. Cost allocation is the payroll KFF and is defined so that you can book the payroll to GL. People group is the HR KFF and is defined to group people into specific groups. In this video, we are going to create people group key flex field. People group key flex field lets you add your own key information to the employee assignment. People group is a flex field like a job name, position name, and grade name. So let's move on to the application. On the home page, go to top right of the page, click on the profile name. Then click on setup and maintenance. Click on the task area, then go to search option. People group key flex field, it don't have a dedicated task. So we need to search and find the task called manage key flex field. Here search for the people group flex field. Then key flex field have a structure. Each key flex field structure is a specific configuration of segments. Adding or removing segment or rearranging their order produces a different structure. So let's create the structure. Click on the add icon. Here give the name of the flex field. Then, okay, so it is a structure code, then give the name. Then give the description. Then select the delimiter. A delimiter is a simple or compound symbol that has a special meaning. And make sure it is enabled. Then click on save before creating segment. Now you can create segment. Click on create icon. Here give the segment code. Then give the API name. Select the sequence number. Then prompt and short prompt. Then display width. Column name. Segment first, then value set. Then save. Again, save and close. Then done. Now we are going to create manage structure instance. Click on add icon. Here for the structure instance code. Then fill the API name. And after that, description. Then structure name we just created, BISP PeopleSoft KFF. Then it automatically appear here. Then click on save and close option. Then done. The last option is deploy flex field. The metadata for the flex field is stored in the application database. As soon as you save your configuration changes, deploying the flex field generates the ADF business component so that the user interface reflect the latest flex field definition in the metadata. ADF means application deployment framework. So let's deploy the flex field. So it's complete. Click on OK. So the status has changed. You can see here. So this is how you can create people group key flex field. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.